Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back here with a Tuesday morning haul, and this is a wedding haul. I've been cleaning out my dining room area and a huge portion out of my parlor and packing things up, and yeah, so this is a bag I found in there, and I know that this is all wedding, so I thought I would just share with y'all. Our oldest daughter's getting married next spring, and I went in and found a whole bunch of goodies and brought them home. So here we go. And I have had several other hauls with similar stuff, so I just kind of keep adding to it. Alright, so first off, I found 3 of these. These are regularly $3.99 for $1.99. They are AC. There's 3 of them, and I thought those are super cute. And they're just the chalkboard little write-on thingies, and I thought I would use this for either the bridal shower or the engagement party. And then I got 2 of these with the, mason jar look. I thought those were so cute, and the tops are kind of gold. So really cute. Again, $3.99 for $1.99, and there's 3 of those in that. So super cute. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. These are the clip-on little, same thing, chalkboard, with a paper clip with a clothespin. And these are $3.99 for $1.99, and there are 4 in each of these. So that gives me 16 of these. And I don't know if I'm going to use them for the dinners or what I'm going to do, but anyways. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's 1 more of those, so that's good. So that'll make 9 of those. And then these, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. And they were regularly $3.99 for $1.99. There's 6 of these, and I'm really not sure how everything's going to be, but you never have enough when you host either and we'll probably use this for the rehearsal dinner as well. You just never have enough of these to identify what is what, and so I just thought these are really, really cute. And I don't know, I may even just do like a cute little floral arrangement, put their names right here. Like Betty and Bobby, kind of thing, which that's not their names, but anyways, and then maybe little hearts, and that'd be cute, and little flowers, like a little vase of flowers. I don't know, I'm just not 100% there yet, but these are super affordable, and they're super inexpensive, and I can also use these in other projects or gifts in the future. So anyways, I thought that was still a really good deal. And pardon me. And I also picked up, since the colors of the wedding are pink and green, and they have these thickers, regularly $4.99. I got them for $2.19, so I got 2 of the green, 1 of the white, and I will somehow, pardon me, sorry, got a sip of water, and I think it was my last sip. And I'll probably get pink and maybe gold, and I have some gold. They're not quite thickers, but they're from, I think they're by AC, and they're from Target. So anyway, so I've got these for their albums and whatnot. And then finally, I got 1 of these, You Are Here. And I don't know where I'm going to use this, but I thought this was just so cute. $2.99 for $1.49. So that was literally half price. Heidi Swapp. Love Heidi Swapp. And then finally, this is really a quick haul because it's so repetitive. I got 2 of the AC 5x7 cards. There's 50 cards, 50 envelopes. Regularly $10.99, and I got it for $4.99. Seriously, go to Tuesday Morning. These are so cheap. Except for when you use like your Hobby Lobby, when you use those coupons. It's really nice too. But these again, same thing, 50 cards, 50 envelopes, 5x7, same price, and then here are the whites. So I may actually use these for Christmas. I don't know yet. I had originally bought them for the wedding, but then I got that, all the Anna Griffin from, HSN. So, anyways, but card makers can always use the quick card kits. So, alright guys, that's it. This is my Tuesday morning haul. I hope you enjoyed it. It was definitely a variety of goodies, and lots of good buys, and lots of fun things, and just, again, you can't beat Tuesday morning. It's always such a good deal. So, alright guys, most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you guys for stopping by. I so appreciate each and every one of y'all. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.